if you guys already got it, don't watch this video because if you guys already got it.
So Cameron, tell again, what are we doing today?
I'm opening the Raiders tickets.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna open our season ticket box that they sent us, right?
Can I open
So
it?
check this
Can I
out.
open it?
Check this out. You want to see it? Ooh. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and open this
Do
thing
the
up.
honors.
Yeah. You want?
I should like open it all by myself, but it's way too hard since I want the egg.
Oh, look.
So if you
Dude, this is pretty.
This nice.
It plays music and it's like Allegiant Stadium.
No way this is happening.
Dude, it freaking plays music.
Alright, so if you guys want to see the
Oh, hold up.
Hold up.
Let's see what else we got. It says, oh, since you can't go to the stadium this year to watch games, we thought we'd give you this, huh? But this is kind of cool because here are all of our season tickets. Look at this. These are our season tickets against the Cardinals, the Rams, the Saints, the Bills, the Buccaneers. Like,
Okay, I'm not gonna open the first page of this one.
dude,
Well, you guys should look.
who is it?
I don't
I think they play the Chiefs. They play the Chiefs at least once here.
Why?
Just the cheerleaders. But look at this.
Whoa!
Boom.
What about this one? What about this one?
These are our tickets, yo.
Hold on.
They're kind of really
Can you
cool.
Hold on.
They're really
this
cool.
Is what whoa! It smells good.
Pretty awesome,
Don't
dude.
call it nasty.
It does,
Whoa! Look, we even got this.
that's like a patch. I'm gonna sew this on. I'll sew this on one of my jackets, yo. I'm gonna sew it on my hat.
And we also got these. I don't know what those are for, but
Wow.
whoa! This looks off. It looks sick. Let's stop
whoa.
it.
Pretty awesome though, huh?
Look at the
Let's
top.
see what happens on the top now. Let's see what
Ready?
happens when
Ready?
you pop the top on
Ready?
this thing.
I'm in.
Is it gonna play more music or what's going on?
I've never seen.
Oh, is this to get out the tickets? Oh, here we go. My goodness.
Whoa,
it's
this
like a
is-
field.
Very tight. What's this?
That's why they
that's
turn it
all.
on and off. You turn the lights on and off.
Yeah. Oh,
And
that's
the music.
That's so cool.
Oh my god.
Wow.
This is
Dun, dun,
pretty
dun, dun, dun.
amazing.
cool.
Season ticket holder. And this is what we get. No games. We don't go to any games, but hey. I guess that's still cool. Awesome.
This is